Hey, this is Ed. I'm the owner of AtticFoil.com, and I'm calling this the Everything You Need to Know video. After talking to tens of thousands of customers since 2006 and selling hundreds of millions of square feet of product, this is a short version of everything you need to know about AtticFoil Radiant Barrier. So why is my attic so hot? It's not so much the temperature as it is the radiant heat from the sun. Your attic will actually be hotter on a 70-degree sunny day than on an 80 or a 90-degree cloudy day. Have you ever noticed that your air conditioner will probably still run on a 70-degree sunny day, but will barely turn on when it's a cloudy 80-degree day? This is the effect of radiant heat. It's the same reason your car gets so hot even on a mild but sunny day. What is AtticFoil Radiant Barrier? AtticFoil is basically a roll of heavy-duty, pure aluminum foil laminated on both sides of a tear-proof tarp product. 48 and 26-inch wide rolls are most common. Essentially, we are making aluminum foil super durable and tear-proof. How does it work? It's an easy do-it-yourself project, and this is where it gets a little tricky. You put inside your attic, and it reflects 97% of the invisible radiant heat coming off the roof and making your attic insulation hot. Remember, we are reflecting the heat, not the light. It's like shade from the heat inside your attic. If we can keep the attic insulation cooler by keeping it from turning into a big hot blanket right above your head, then the home is more comfortable, it's easier to cool, and it's more energy efficient. Does AtticFoil Radiant Barrier really work? Hey, don't take our word for it. Check out the link below. We've got thousands of reviews from happy customers, some going back to 2009. We sell millions of square feet every year and have millions of square feet in stock ready to ship today. And we offer a 1-year complete satisfaction or your money-back guarantee. How is AtticFoil Radiant Barrier installed? Usually 2 ways. Either stapled to the bottom of the roof rafters, which is typically in sunny or hotter climate areas, or laid on top of the attic insulation, usually in colder or mixed climate areas. All you need is a staple gun and a utility knife, and you're ready to go. Do I have to do the whole attic? No. Many customers start by doing a third or a half of the attic, starting with the wide open, easier to reach areas. AtticFoil has a cumulative effect. The more coverage, the better to be more effective. Have you ever parked your car partially under a tree? It still helps, right? Same thing with your roof or attic. So if you're not sure, start with a smaller amount and do the easy areas first. Can I really do this myself? Yes. AtticFoil has been installed in over 250,000 homes. We have a complete do-it-yourself install guide and other videos on how to do it. People tend to really overthink it. All you're trying to do is get a piece of AtticFoil between the hot roof and the cooler insulation. You want to break that path, the heat, and reflect it back towards the sky. It's that simple. If you can't do it yourself, there are professional installers out there, or look for a handyman type or even a couple of college students to get it done. I always tell people for a few $100 and a pizza, you can usually get it done. Can I buy the original AtticFoil in store? No. We only sell direct. This gets you a better product at a lower price by eliminating the middleman, retail store, or other online store. How much will I save? Basically, your house is just a big air-conditioned box sitting in the sun. AtticFoil significantly reduces the heat coming in the top of the box. So the most savings is in 1-story ranch-style home. But even 2-story homes see good savings and improved comfort, especially in hot upstairs. What if I have questions or need more help? Please check out and search the full website. Most of the questions and answers are here. If you still need help, please don't be shy. Give us a call or submit a question via email. We are building science experts and offer real technical support.